Good morning. Would you like to see what a fibroid uterus looks like? I hope you're not squeamish. Okay, 1 second. Uterus. This is the space that this fibroid was in. Open that space and insert the fibroid out. This is the cervix. We had to cut the cervix. Cervix was attached like this in the body. And then there are other fibroids in here we didn't bother taking out. We just took out the whole uterus.
I just rocked it. Yeah, because your belly's sitting right there.
Uterus is not. The uterus is supposed to be this size, maybe this small. We have all these fibroids in here. Wow, this is a normal looking uterus showing you the cervix and the top.